Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple frames on your Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! When you add friend sticker to your story, your friends and follower will see a blurry image like a polaroid picture that was just taken. Your viewer can shake their phones or tap uh, to shake or to reveal the photo in the frames. So how on my previous video, I've shown you how to add the frames on your Instagram story. So now, what if you want to add more than one frames? You want to add multiple frames to your Instagram story. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now I can just create a story. We'll take a picture like this for the background. Now I can just tap on the sticker icon on here, tap on frames. You can choose on the photo that you want to add to your frames. For example, here's for the first frames. You can, if you want to add another frames, if you try to add more frames, let's try. We can't. The previous the previous frames is disappear. So you can use this trick. So you can add first photo like this. You can just tap on save. After that, you can discard, you can go back. You can add this one. Now you can just add another frames like this. You can save again. I will add 3 frames on here. So you can just use these tricks for your story. Sorry. And this one. Now you can just share it to your story. So now you have you have multiple frames on your Instagram story. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add multiple frames on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.